Hello everyone, and today, this is part 3 of the longest hole in Roblox. So, let's go ahead and join part 3. So if you guys, are watching part 3 of, this video is like part 3. So if you're watching that, well, good. So, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start Roblox here, and it says you can fly to the top, which is pretty cool. So, but we're just gonna load in. It says your moments. It freaking always says it, you guys. So, you know that, guys. So we're just gonna have to wait till it loads, and it's gonna take like few minutes just to, I don't know where it is anyways. Oh, I think it is. Alright. So we're in the experience. This is part 3 of the largest hole. And here we go. Let's see what actually is happening. Oh, we don't really have that much blocks. That's good. Yeah, we have some blocks there. Yo, why is everybody like AFK, you guys, right now? So, I'm just gonna go get, actually, where is everybody? It's like, one was like behind there, I can't tell where the other guy was. Yeah, so there's a, bacon right there. Wait, how do you be the winner? This is like so crazy, you guys. I made it. Okay. Alright, so, yeah, so you just, like, go up there, and, I'm just gonna get, actually, the balloon, because, no, actually, wait, I think it just freeze right now, yeah, it just freeze, so, yup, just freeze, yup, sure did, alright. So you're just gonna have to wait. Alright. So we're not gonna actually play part 3, but I have a new game that we're gonna be playing. So I have a new game that we're gonna be playing. So we're just gonna load into that. I think the sound is like still there. Yeah, the sound is still there. We're actually gonna be playing Among Us. I think we haven't actually played Among Us. But we'll probably do that in the next video. I don't know why I just clicked on Among Us, but yeah. So we're just gonna bro, it's still making a sound, you guys. What the heck? Alright, so we're gonna load in, we're gonna play a new game here, and, let's see, Roblox, I think it just, like, froze right now, you guys. Alright, let's try it again. It just froze, you guys, see, web.roblox just froze, and look, it just froze right now. I don't know what to do, you guys. Alright. Yeah, it just froze. Let me try to, like, load back into it. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I think the longest hole just broke my computer right now. Because it's, like, not loading right now. See, it's just saying loading. It's not really loading. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Alright, so we're just gonna go to our home page, and we're gonna find a game that we could play in this. So let's see. So we have some many games listed. So let's play what have we did not play? Like let's play the natural disaster survival. So I think this game is pretty fun. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and load into this game here. So it's starting Roblox. What is Yo, they made it just so fire, you guys. So crazy. Um, so you can run around in circles. Your life depends. Looks like it says depends on it. So I wonder what this could actually be, but yeah, I wonder what this could actually be. So you could create let's see get all of these, which is pretty cool. Um and yeah, so you get all of these. So I think we're in there right now. All right, let's check it out. All right, so we're in the disaster. All right, what the heck? All right, what the heck am I in, you guys? What the heck? All right, what the heck? What is this? All right, I don't know what the heck is this, cause it looks like we're in a like random thing. I wonder what this is. Can we just like, what can we do? Can we just like click on the thing or something? Like, I really don't know. But these are some these survivals. Top 10 survivalists. As you guys can see, bro, what the heck? Alright, what in the world happened to the clouds right here? This is crazy. Alright, here we go. We're loading in. Let's go. Alright, let's load in. We got a lot of people in here. I can see that. Alright, let's go ahead and load in. Whoa, we got a lot of people in here. Hey, what are y'all doing? Glass office, next man, glass office. Oh, we're here. Oh my gosh, what is this? Yo, what is this, bruh? Okay, so I don't know what this actually is. What the heck? Is this like? What is that noise? What the heck is that noise? I don't know what. Yeah, I'm just like following everybody in this tower. So, yeah, I don't know what this is, but oh gosh, I was about to fall. All right, disaster warning: flash flood, seek high and stable ground. Oh, they ain't no, I don't see nothing. I don't see no disaster warning. Oh, what is that in the sky? What the is that in the sky? What the heck is that? Yo, where is the other people? Are they AFK? They better hurry up. Cause this is like, bro, what is that? Okay, so oh my god, whoa! What just happened, you guys? The thing just flew, and that was crazy, you guys. What the heck? All right, so we're just gonna go back in. I think it's just I have to stand in like no survivors, whatever that says. Bro, are we going back? Like, did y'all see that? The thing just leaned down, and that was crazy. Yo, what is the heck? Alright, it says just go from 80 Robux. Next map, Launchland. I wonder what that is. Okay, let's explore this world. Yo, what is this? What is this? Yo, what is this? Oh, what is that? What is that? What the heck is that? Something's killing me. Oh my gosh, y'all better stay back. Why is the thing just? Did y'all see that? That thing was not on before. Like, what the heck? But I'm gonna do like a check out the part 2. So, disaster warning. Rain doors! Ah! No, it's killing me! It's killing me! Go, go, go! I need to go inside. Oh no. Y'all better run, y'all gonna die! Look, he's dying! Yo, y'all gonna die. Like, what the heck? Better go inside! These people are not going inside. They're bruh, they're gonna die. Go inside! What the heck? It killed him. Y'all should have stayed inside, like they said you to, bro. They just like didn't go inside. Like y'all could have stayed inside. Yo, what is happening? That bacon going out there. What the heck? Look, something's falling. Oh my gosh, something's falling, you guys. What the heck? I'm not going out there. I just see. Yo, something's falling! What is that? Oh! What is that? Stay behind here, you guys. Stay behind here. Y'all could die. Y'all stay behind. Oh! What is that? What is this green? Oh! Well, congratulations. I almost died since y'all put that thing on my head. Alright. Wait, what's this? Oh, I thought this guy was like a baby. I was like, what the heck? Alright, so we're gonna load back in. If this video ends, I'll make a part 2 of this, or part 3 if you guys want to see the rest. And probably yo, what is this? What is this creepy music? I just gotta turn this mess off because I don't know what it is. Yo, let's go. Oh, that's a tower. That thing can knock down. Look, that could freaking hurt us right now. Alright. Oh, what is this? I want to try this ride. Bro, this guy's still on the seat. Alright, I'm just going to sit here. Uh-oh. Disaster warning. Get high aground. A ground? What? Bro, this thing is in my way. How am I going to see? I'm gonna die. 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 Oh shoot. Okay. We're in a safe place. Alright, I'm just gonna stay up here. When is this storm gonna start? Bro, what is that in the freaking thing? Yo, it looks like he's climbing up. Yo, what the heck was that, you guys? Yo, there's no way I freaking died in this. Like that thing. Did y'all see that? That's how I'm gonna stay in a safe place. Like that was so hard, you guys. Like what the heck? How I'm gonna freaking stay in a safe place? Like this is crazy. Oh, this girl's big. Ooh. This girl's big. Alright, so, we're just gonna have, what is the next map? Because I swear, if it's the same map, I'm just, okay, so, bro, what? How did I die? Oh, survivors, yeah, these are the, all the, survivals, which is, pretty cool, and you could whoa, this guy's big. Alright, so we're gonna go back up. What? Alright, the next app. Ooh, this looks good. Let's see this map actually. What the heck is this? What the heck is this, you guys? What the heck? Alright. What? Ooh, okay. So we're just gonna climb up here. There's like a bunch of roads. That's a little road. I don't know who took us here and drive us here. This looks like a place where we could stay safe. Hopefully nothing knocks down. Yo, what is y'all doing? What the heck? Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna stay like right here. Bro, how do I get outside? Like I can't get outside, you guys. Oh, they went through that way. Okay. There many people are on